Said ya pomudemu nsamno etie ne make say Melcom Care Foundation one more the 25 medical refrigerators akọ oman ya pomuden tina ya hodo so one monye na ye mfanhwe apomuden ensem.
General Manager Emma Melcom Francis Sam edi atudwa se achede ya womo edi komo me eyede etoso 70 eye refrigerator bi wo kire anamo a womo tuye eyade a womo boa ama apomuden hu nsem akonenim pa na yade a wombekọ so ayedodo daachi.
Yeah, donation of healthcare refrigerators to hospitals. You feel that one here, the refrigerators was by ejuma. Refrigerators in here for moja nimpa watching was to be save lives. Inti is here or no na endri na yazama hospitals was by ejuma.
Public Relations Officer Emma Kolebu Aban Ayaresabia Mustafa Salifu edi to just say
donations where near every Melcom, it has come at the right time, and then it's going to help us in preserving blood and other essential medicines that we give to patients. And then we want to thank them so much for this donation. And then we also wish to call on other corporate bodies to emulate the good example of Melcom. Melcom is proving to be a worthy citizen, corporate citizens of the country. And this is not the first time I donation every